Sorry for that creepy sound. So we're here for Pluto, the farthest planet and sadly the dwarf planet, the largest dwarf planet. So first let us talk about New Horizon, the first satellite to reach near Pluto. It took it 3,463 days, approximately 10 years. And do you know Pluto is named after the Greek god of the underworld? Let's check some quick facts. Pluto was reclassified from a planet to a dwarf planet in 2006. Pluto was discovered on February 18, 1930 by the Lowell Observatory. Pluto is known to have 5 moons and one Charon, which is the nearest, is nearly the double planet. They both are known as double planet, and Charon also moves Pluto a bit. Pluto has eccentric and inclined orbit. Sometimes it is even nearer to the Sun than Neptune. Pluto sometimes has an atmosphere. When Pluto's elliptical orbit takes it closer to the Sun, its surface ice thaws and forms a thin atmosphere, primarily of nitrogen, which slowly escapes the planet. It also has a methane haze that hovers about 161 kilometers above the surface. The methane is dissociated by sunlight into hydrocarbons that fall to the surface and coat the ice with a dark covering. When Pluto travels away from the Sun, the atmosphere then freezes back to its solid state. It takes 248 Earth years for Pluto to complete one revolution around the Sun. Wow. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. These were some quick facts about Pluto.